Hello students, we are going to discuss about crystallizer. What is crystallization? It is the formation of solid particle within a homogeneous liquid phase. Homogeneous is nothing but same phase. Crystallization gives almost pure product, and crystallization from solution is very important industrially. Various equipment used for carrying out crystallization are stirred tank, vacuum crystallizer, Swanson-Walker crystallizer, etc. Crystallization of the dissolved solid from a solution is based on the differences in solubilities at different temperature. It usually consists of concentrating a solution followed by cooling of the solution until it becomes supersaturated. Now we are going to discuss about Swanson-Walker crystallizer. This is the one type of crystallizer. It is a continuous type crystallizer. This operation involves both heat and mass transfer. Crystallization is the formation of solid particles within a homogeneous phase. It may be occur as the formation of solid particle in a vapor, as in snow. As solidification from a liquid melt, as in the manufacture of large single crystal, or as crystallization form liquid solution. It is the formation of crystal. Two steps are required. One is nucleation, another one is the crystal growth. What is nucleation? Birth of a new solute particle. Crystal growth, the growth of the nucleus to macroscopic size. So next one, what is the principle of Swanson-Walker crystallizer? It works on the principle of supersaturation by cooling. Very common type of continuous crystallizer using cooling alone to bring about supersaturation is the Swanson-Walker crystallizer. Construction of this crystallizer, it consists of U-shaped open trough with a semi-cylindrical bottom. A water jacket welded to the outside of trough. A slow speed, long pitch spiral agitator running at 7 rpm, revolution per minute, and set as close to bottom of the trough as possible. Water jacket is divided into section so that differential cooling may be used in the various zones. The crystallizer is built in unit 10 feet long, and number of units may join together to increase the capacity. For still higher capacity, this larger unit may be arranged one above the other such that the solution cascades from one unit to another. So this is the construction of Swanson-Walker crystallizer. So what is the operation? Operation of Swanson-Walker crystallizer. Hot concentrated solution to be crystallized is fed at one end of trough cooling water usually flow through the jacket in counter current. Counter current means there is a opposite direction. Counter current to the solution. Sometimes extra amount of water is introduced into certain section of trough to control crystal size. Already I said the nucleation. Nucleation may be started by short cold zone followed by gradual cooling. Function of the spiral stirrer are to prevent an accumulation of crystal on the cooling surface, to lift the crystal forms and shower them down through the solution so crystal grow uniformly and free from aggregate and inclusion of mother liquor. Okay. So end of the crystallizer there is overflow gate where crystals and mother liquor overflow to drain box. From the mixture, mother liquor is returned to the process and the wet crystals are fed to centrifuge. Okay, this is the operation of Swanson-Walker crystallizer. Okay, so next one, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this crystallizer? Advantages: less floor space is required, saving labor, continuous process, crystal of uniform size, free from aggregate or inclusion. Okay. So disadvantages of this crystallizer: scraper may break crystal to the little extent due to agitation. Why? Because here spiral agitator is also there. Okay. What are the applications of Swanson-Walker crystallizer? It is one of the most widely used technology in the chemical industry, and process roughness govern process productivity and economics. Particularly pharmaceutical industry and food industry are utilizing crystallization for optimized separation purification and solid form selection. So the crystallizer one of the best application sugar industry. Thank you for your attention.